Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot pork and sauerkraut. Alright guys, I'm starting out here with a boneless pork roast. This is roughly probably about 3 pounds. Now in my Instant Pot I'm going to place in my little wire trivet to keep our pork roast off the bottom of the Instant Pot. I'm going to add in a cup of water. And I season my pork roast with salt and pepper. Just keep the seasoning simple. I'm going to put that in there on top of the little trivet. Now I cut my roast in half. The reason being is it'll cook quicker and it'll get more tender that way. Okay, now I'm going to put my lid on here. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 40 minutes. After 40 minutes we'll release the pressure and then we're going to add in our sauerkraut. Alright guys, I let that go for the 40 minutes. I did a quick release of the pressure. Now I'm going to add in 3 14.5 ounce cans of sauerkraut. Now you don't want to put your sauerkraut in the beginning because it'll just turn to mush for pressure cooking that long. I'm going to take a fork and knock it down in here over top of the pork. And there's enough liquid in there from that cup of water we added in the beginning. Now I'm going to add a little more salt and pepper, guys. About a half a teaspoon of each. And I have some potatoes going back here for mashed potatoes to serve this over. And I have a piece of cabbage and it's a little thick. I got rid of that. Now I'm going to put my lid back on here. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 5 minutes. When my 5 minutes are up, I'll let it do a natural release of the pressure for 10 minutes and I'll release the rest of the pressure manually. Alright guys, when my time was up and it did that natural release, I pulled the pork out and shredded it up. And like I said, I'm serving this over mashed potatoes. Let me get in here and give this a try. Sauerkraut's really good. Not over tangy, but has a little bit of sour to it. Mashed potatoes are good, and I'm going to try a piece of pork. Pork's really good. Tender. That's really good, guys, and it really wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Instant Pot pork and sauerkraut. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.